My name is Nick. I'm currently a master's student at the School of Social Sciences in Tsinghua University. In 2005, I moved with my family from Russia to Beijing, China.
Hello everyone, my name is Ivan. I'm from Kazakhstan, a member state of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization.
Hi everyone, my name is Mansoor Ahmad Kunder, Chinese name Kong Hao. I came from Pakistan, a state member country of Shanghai Cooperation Organization.
Hello everyone, my name is Chen Yu from Uzbekistan, a member state of Shanghai Cooperation Organization.